forgot my bed. Uh-oh.
We don't need that.
Don't need the bed. No
I
bed.
forgot my bed.
Bad
No
adios.
Bed, adios.
If we
Is it
go
adios or adios?
Adios.
With the T
Adios?
at the end?
with the T. Adios.
Wait, where did
Adios.
this
With a
come
T. Adios.
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 You talk like my mom when she speaks English. because
I always say
she
that
always
T.
adds the T.
Yeah,
at
I
the
don't
end
know
of
what
stuff.
happened, right?
I think it's like I don't know, an Asian mom accent.
Adios.
Because she always says adios. Well, not adios, but she says like stuff like.
But
She says
I'm not
adios.
an Asian mom. What do you mean? Adios.
Oh, I need your. Oh
But
God.
You speak,
Okay.
You speak exactly like her.
No. This is illegal.